Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet maple leaf. I used an H hook. You can also go up or down on your hook size if you'd like. And if you're a beginner, I have a beginner stitches playlist down below. Also, if this is too fast for you, I have a video down below that will help you place this in slow motion. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And this was done with medium worsted yarn. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to work the magic circle. If this is your first time, there is a link down below in the description on how to do so. Just wrap it around your fingers, go underneath, grab the yarn, slip stitch into it, and then you're going to yarn over, insert your hook for a half double crochet, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, complete until you have 8 half double crochet all together. Once you have all 8, you're going to pull it closed. Slip stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through. It's going to look like this. And you're going to chain 3, then double crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, 2 double crochet in each stitch around now. Repeat that until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3 to complete the round. Slip stitch in to the next stitch. Then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. This will be part of the leaf. And then treble crochet, which is yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. You'll do another treble in the same stitch. And then chain 3. And then in that beginning of that double crochet, work a slip stitch. And 2 treble crochet in the same stitch. And then 2 double crochet. And then you have your stitch here, right here. You're going to skip and then go to the next stitch and slip stitch. And then you'll just repeat 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochet, and then chain 3, slip stitch into the beginning of that double crochet, and then 2 treble crochet, and then 2 double crochet, skip a stitch, skip that stitch, slip stitch into the next, and then you're going to repeat 3 more times the same exact way for the petals of the sleeve here. So after you slip stitch, you have 1 more part of the leaf here. Work your 2 double crochet, treble crochet, another treble crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the top of that double crochet, two treble crochet, two double crochet, skip, and then slip stitch. It's going to look like this now. Now chain 11. You have your 1 and then 2. And then in the second chain from the hook, create a slip stitch, pull through, and then single crochet in each chain until you get to the beginning. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then slip stitch, then yarn over and pull through. Then you can take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. So just take it on the back side and weave it in about 3 to 4 times to disguise it and hide it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this crochet maple leaf tutorial, and the pattern is down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.